Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with ninth class maths, lines and angles. In that exercise, example 8 I have to do. So, the example 8 is, in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of x. This is the question. So, the figure is in this way. So, AB and CD. This is A, B and C, D. These two are parallel and this is drawn in this way. This is how it is drawn, and here angle A is 105 degrees and here the angle is 25 degrees and this is x degrees. You need to find out x. So what is given to us? You have got this symbol means they are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Now you need to find out x. There is a construction here. For this problem, there is a construction. What is a construction? This point is considered as E. So you have to draw EF parallel to CD. So construction should be always drawn in broken lines. So I am drawing this in broken lines. So this is EF, which is parallel to CD. What does this implies? If EF is parallel to CD, automatically EF will be parallel to AB. Because any two lines, if any two lines are parallel and a line is parallel to one line, then definitely it is parallel to the other one also. This is the parallel lines property. So these two are parallel lines, AB and CD are parallel lines, and EF is a line which is drawn parallel to CD. When you have drawn it parallel to CD, since CD is parallel to AB, EF is parallel to AB. Okay, now this construction we have done. So what I will do is, this angle I will consider as 1. What is this? This is angle CEF. I am considering it as 1. This way it will be easy for your children. We know that 25 degrees, see, angle ABCD is parallel. So AB is parallel to EF we have got. Therefore, when you say that EF is parallel to AB, 105 degrees plus 25 degrees plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. See, this is 105 degrees. This is the line. So suppose if you forget all this will be the transversal. Then these two are combiningly they are interior angles. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. 105 and 25 plus 1 will be interior angles on the same side of transversal. So what is the reason that you will be writing? They are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, interior angles on the same side of transversal. So that means 105 plus 25. How much children? 5, 5, 10. 130 you will be getting it as. 105 plus 25, 130 degrees, plus angle 1 is 180 degrees. So what is angle 1? 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. That is nothing but 50 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. This is angle 1, this is 50 degrees. We know that x degrees plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. See, these two are parallel lines. This is a transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. That is the same property. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. They are interior angles on the same side of transversal. That means x degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, what is x degrees? 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. That means 130 degrees. So, x is equal to 130 degrees is the answer, children, for this problem. Please copy it. This is example 8. Now, let us see the next one. Example 9. In the given figure, find the values of x, y, z, and a, b, c. This is the question. So let us see how the figure is given. First, we have got 3 parallel lines. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. These 3 are parallel lines. This is the indication for parallel lines. Here you have got a straight line in this way, and you have got a line crossing like this. This is another line. Now here A, B, C. Here this is A degrees, B degrees, C degrees. And then this is 110 degrees, and this is x degrees, y degrees, and z degrees. This is 65 degrees. This one is 65 degrees. So you need to find out what is A, what is B, what is C, and what is X, what is Y, what is Z. So let us see. Let me write this as L, M, N, and let me write this as P and Q. P is one transversal, Q is another transversal. L is parallel to M, is parallel to N. P, Q are transversals. two transversals. So suppose if you take these two lines, children, then this is a transversal. Forget about this. If that is a transversal, 110 and y are, see, just I am rubbing this so that it will be convenient for you to understand. See, these two are parallel lines. This is a transversal. Then 110 and y are corresponding angles. So, I have to draw it once again. So, we will be saying that y degrees is equal to 110 degrees because they are corresponding angles. I hope I am clear, children. This becomes the transversal. These two are parallel lines. So 110 is equal to y. And also we know that x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees because they are linear pair. So what is y? X degrees plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So what is x degrees? 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, that is x is equal to 70 degrees. Now x degrees is equal to z degrees because they are corresponding angles. Yes or no? These two are corresponding angles. This is the transversal. Therefore, angle Z or Z is equal to 70 degrees. Z degrees is equal to 70 degrees, I can say. So, I have found out y value, x value, z value. Now, A, B, C, I need to do it. So, when this is 65 and now let us see this line. This is a transversal. Let us talk about L and N. L is parallel to N and Q is transversal. Let me take these lines. Q is transversal. So in this case, I am talking about L and N and Q is transversal. Then A is equal to 65 degrees. They are corresponding angles. That is why they are 65 degrees. And we know that A degrees plus B degrees is equal to 180 degrees. They are linear pair. Therefore, A is 65 degrees plus B degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, what is B degrees? 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. So, 115. See, 180 minus 65. So, here 5, here 1, here 1. 115 degrees angle B. Now, B and C, I am continuing here. Let me draw the lines so that it will be convenient for you to understand. I am drawing a line here. See, B and C are equal. They are vertically opposite angles. B degrees is equal to C degrees because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, what is C degrees? B how much? 115. So, this is also 115 degrees. So, answer is x is equal to how much we have got x? 70 degrees. Y is equal to we have got 110 degrees and Z is equal to 70 degrees and A is equal to we have got A as 65 degrees, B is equal to 115 degrees, C is equal to 115 degrees. So, these all are the answers for this bit, children. So please copy this. Now 10th problem, children. There is a figure given to you. In the given figure, EF is parallel to GH. So EF and GH EF is parallel to GH and AB is parallel to CD. These two are AB and these two are CD. And this is P, Q, R, S. And here the angle is 3x plus 5 degrees. And here the angle is 4x degrees. Now you need to find out what is the value of x. Now when you say this, 3x plus 5 is equal to, let us take these two. EF is parallel to GH and AB is transversal. If you take AB is a transversal, then 3x plus 5 degrees is equal to angle P. They are corresponding angles. Now, angle R is equal to 4x degrees vertically opposite angles. Angle R is equal to 4x degrees, they are vertically opposite angles. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. EF is transversal. If you take it like this, AB is parallel to CD and EF is a transversal. Angle P plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees because they are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. What is angle P? 3x. Therefore, 3x plus 5 plus angle R is 4x is equal to 180 degrees. That means 7x plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees, 5 degrees. So what is 7x? 180 degrees minus 5 degrees. That means 7x is equal to 175 degrees. What is x? 175 by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. So x is equal to 25 degrees is the answer, children. Please copy it. This is example 10. Now we will see example 11. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to RS. Angle MXQ is equal to 135 degrees and angle MYR is equal to 40 degrees. Find angle XMY. This is the question, and we have got two lines PQ and RS. These are the two lines which are parallel to each other. PQ is parallel to RS, and there is a point M here, and a line is drawn in this way. MX and MY. MX and MY. This angle is 135 degrees and this angle is 40 degrees. Now what is angle XMY? They have given PQ is parallel to RS. Okay. Now there is a construction here. The construction here is you have to draw a line AB you have to draw a line AB parallel to PQ through M. Draw AB parallel to PQ through M. So this is angle M. Here this is the point, M here. M point is here, this one. Okay. Now we know that when AB is, let me consider this as angle 1 and this as angle 2. Angle XMY you will be getting when you take angle 1 plus angle 2. When you add these two values, you will be getting angle XMY. Now, if you consider PQ is parallel to AB and MX is a transversal, MX is a transversal, then 135 degrees plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees because they are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. So what is angle 1? 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. From 180, if you subtract 135, 5 here, 7 minus 3 is 4. 45 degrees. So angle 1 is 45 degrees. Now let us say that AB is parallel to RS. AB is parallel to RS. Why is it? Because PQ is parallel to RS. Because PQ is parallel to RS, because we have written that AB is parallel to PQ only we have done. We have not said that AB is parallel to RS. But now we are saying that AB is parallel to RS. Why? Because RS is parallel to PQ. So AB is parallel to RS. MY is transversal. Is a transversal. If it is a transversal, then what you can say? Angle 2 is equal to 40 degrees. They are alternate angles. See children, these two are alternate angles. So, angle 2 is 40 degrees. Angle XMY is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 is 45 degrees plus 40 degrees. How much you are getting? 85 degrees. So, this is the answer. Angle XMY is equal to 45 degrees. 85 degrees is the answer. Please copy it. Then example 12. If a transversal intersects two lines, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel. This is the question, children. They have not given any figure. You have to draw the figure. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines. So let me draw. This is one line AB and let me draw another parallel line CD, and you have got a transversal. Let me name it as L is a transversal. L intersects this at a point P and at a point Q. Now, we need to, what is that they have given? If a transversal intersects two lines such that the pair of corresponding angles are parallel. These corresponding angles, the pair of corresponding angles are parallel. If a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of the pair of corresponding angles, these two are corresponding angles. Angle P and angle Q are angle P here, this angle and this angle. These two are corresponding angles. So a pair of corresponding angles for this bisectors. Bisectors means the one which divides it into two equal halves. So this is one bisector and this is the bisector of angle Q. Okay, so we need to prove that PR and QS are parallel to each other. That you need to prove. So if a transversal intersects two lines, so AB and CD are AB and CD are two lines. And L is a transversal. L is a transversal. Now, angle P, that is angle LPB. Otherwise, let me write it as EF. EF is a transversal. Instead of L, let me write EF is a transversal. Angle EPB and angle EQD are corresponding angles. So when these two are corresponding angles, PR bisects angle EPB and QS bisects angle EQD. So when it is bisecting, what you can say? Let me consider this as angle RPB. Angle RPB is equal to half of angle EPB. Half of angle EPB. Okay. And angle QD is equal to half of angle EQD. Okay. Now, angle RPB is equal to angle SQD because they are corresponding angles. So this is possible only when you write them as two parallel lines, children. Definitely these two lines AB and CD are two parallel lines you should have. Then only this can be proved. If they are not parallel, you can't prove that these two are equal. So they are parallel. AB and CD are two parallel lines and EF is a transversal. So when angle RPB is equal to angle SQD, then what you can say? RPB. RPB is half of angle EPB. We know that. Here I should write not angle RPB. I should write angle EPB is equal to angle EQD. They are corresponding angles. Therefore, half of angle EQB will be equal to half of angle EQD. When these two are equal, their halves are also equal. So, angle RPB is equal to angle SQD. RPB is equal to angle XQD. What are they? They are corresponding angles. See, these two are corresponding angles for these two parallel lines. When this becomes a transversal, when they are corresponding angles, we can say that PR, therefore PR is parallel to QS. Hence, proved. This is the proof for this problem, children. Please copy. This is example 12. Now, let us say example 13. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Also, EA is perpendicular to AB if angle BEF is equal to 50 degrees. Find the values of x degrees, y degrees and z degrees. Now the figure, we have got three parallel lines. Turn in this way. So A here, B here, and AE this is A. AE is perpendicular to AB and these all are parallel, and C is here and BE this is BE, this point is a D, this is x degrees and this is y degrees, this is z degrees. Angle BEF, this is equal to 55 degrees, sorry, not 50, 55 degrees. We know that 55 degrees plus z degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because AE is perpendicular to AB and AB is parallel to EF. Because of this reason, this is perpendicular and these two are parallel lines. That means what? Definitely these two sum is, each one is 90. This is 90 degrees means this is also 90 degrees. So what is angle Z? 90 degrees minus 55 degrees. So from 90, if you subtract 55, so 5 here, 8 minus 3 is 5 is 3. So 35 degrees is Z value. Now let us see that y degrees plus 55 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why? They are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. So their sum is 180 degrees. So what is angle y degrees? 180 degrees minus 55 degrees. So from 180 degrees, if you subtract 55 degrees, 5 degrees here, 2 and 1. 125 degrees is angle y. Okay. Next, you want x. X and y, they are equal, no? Angle x and y, they are corresponding angles. See, these two are parallel lines. CD is parallel to AB and BE is a transversal. Therefore, x degrees is equal to y degrees. They are corresponding angles. Therefore, x degrees is also equal to 125 degrees. So, on the whole, what are you getting? X degrees is 125 degrees. Y degrees is 125 degrees. Z degrees is 35 degrees. These are the answers, children, for this problem. Please copy it. This is the last example here, children. Exercise part I will be doing in the next class.